Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can be able to take a screenshot in your computer. Before I get into the video, remember to subscribe, like and share. When you get into your computer, you need to go to the search tab. On the search tab, search snip. The snipping tool will pop up on your computer, so you need to click on the tool to open it. As you can see, the tool is already open. There is the mode, delay options. Whenever you want to create a new one, you just tap on the new. Under the mode, you can see the different variations that you can be able to draw in order to create the screenshot. There is the freeform snip, rectangular snip, window snip, and full screen snip. Anytime you want, for example, to take a screenshot of the whole screen, you will tap on the full screen snip. There is also the delay. You can delay the screenshot time that it captures the image. For example, in my case, I've let my delay on 0. You can change it maybe on 1. There is also the option settings. There is the hide instruction text, always copy snippets to the clipboard, prompt to save snippets before exiting, and other options. I just leave my settings into the default mode. I'll go into my YouTube homepage. You can see my YouTube homepage. I want to create a screenshot of this. I'll click on the snipping tool. I click on the new. You can see the snipping tool is active on the taskbar. I'll just need to tap on it and it will come up front on my screen. So I'll tap on the new. I'll select the area that I want to create the screenshot. For example, I want to select this area. Then you can see the screenshot is already taken. In order to save this picture, I'll go into the file. Under the file, you can see the save as, and then I'll save my picture and select the location that I want to save my picture to. The default save type is always on portable network graphic file, the PNG. I just leave it on there as the default option. And my picture is already saved into my computer as a screenshot. You can see on my desktop there's the image that I have taken the screenshot. I'll do the demonstration. If I want to take the whole screen or the whole window, I'll go into the mode and change the settings in full screen snip. I select on it. It automatically snips the whole screen. As you can see, the screenshot is already taken. So you just need to repeat the process and save the image as a screenshot. And there's my picture is already saved. As I continue with the video, remember to subscribe, like and share. Talk to us in the comment section what you want us to cover. I'll show you another way to take a screenshot in your computer. There is the shortcut in your keyboard. You can be able to tap the Windows plus the button that is written prtsc, the print screen. The button may vary depending on the keyboard that you're using. For example, on this keyboard that I'm using, it is on the top right. After the button of insert, just on top, there is my button. So I'll need to click on those buttons simultaneously. As you can see on my screen, a black light pops up on my screen. That indicates that the screenshot has already been taken. I just repeat the process again. I'll tap on the shortcut Windows plus the button print screen. And you can see the dark light that comes on my screen. That means the screenshot has already been taken. So in order to confirm that the screenshot has already been taken, I'll go back into my computer. I'll go into pictures and you can see my screenshot folder. My image that I have already taken a screenshot should be there. Because I've taken 2 screenshots, you can see the screenshots that I've already taken, the screenshot 3 and 4. So that's how you can be able to take screenshots in your PC. You can be able to use either the snipping tool or you can use the shortcut on your keyboard, the Windows plus the print screen button. Thank you for watching. If you found this video of value, comment in the comment section. You can also talk to us about the videos that you want us to do. I'll see you in our next video.